I'm Sanjay, and these are few people who were very dear to me. This is my wife, Nikita. This is my wife's dear friend, best friend, Chitra. My little sister, Kumud. My darling daughter, Sanjana. And this is my wife's mother and my dear friend, Taramma. And Chitra's daughter,
Tarushri. My daughter Tarushri is missing.
घट घाट में पंछी बोलता, घट घाट में पंछी बोलता है। घट घाट में पंछी बोलता, घट घाट में पंछी बोलता है। आप ही दंडी, आप तराजू, आप ही दंडी, आप तराजू, आप ही बैठा तोलता है। आप ही बैठा तोलता है। घट घाट में पंछी बोलता, घट घाट में पंछी बोलता है।
आप है माली, आप बगीचा, आप है माली, आप बगीचा, आप है कलियां तोड़ता है। आप है कलियां तोड़ता है। घट घाट में पंछी बोलता, घट घाट में पंछी बोलता है।
सब बन सब जन आप बिराजे, सब बन सब जन आप बिराजे। जड़ चेतना में डोलता है, जड़ चेतना में डोलता है। घट घाट में पंछी बोलता, घट घाट में पंछी बोलता है। घट घाट में पंछी बोलता, घट घाट में पंछी बोलता है।
कहते कबीरा कहते कबीरा सुनो भाई साधो, कहते कबीरा सुनो भाई साधो। मन की खूंटी खोलता है, मन की खूंटी खोलता है।
वो भी नहीं, वो भी नहीं और हर जाओ, वो भी नहीं और हर जाओ, वो भी नहीं और हर जाओ। तुम एक गोरख धंधा हो, तुम एक गोरख धंधा हो। आप भी अपना पर्दा हो, आप भी अपना पर्दा हो, आप ही अपना पर्दा हो। तुम एक गोरख धंधा हो, तुम एक गोरख धंधा हो, तुम एक गोरख धंधा हो, तुम एक गोरख धंधा हो। एक्शन फिल्म बन गई। ऐसा चस्का लगा इश्क का, ऐसा चस्का लगा इश्क का, हर जर्सी हो गई, जर्सी हो गई।
I can't sleep till midnight. And now I'm wide awake like an owl at 3 a.m. So restless. Jaggi, my husband. Jaggi, my husband, irritated with my tossing and turning, decided to stop snoring for exactly 10 minutes. First, I thought I'll wake him up. And then I just let him be. Honestly, I didn't want to deal with his heavy-handed lovemaking. No, not tonight. Usually, I'm good at handling such things. I even end up enjoying some of it. But tonight there was something niggling inside me. I don't know, Dharma. Is it about the date today? Because today is when I had broken up with... Actually, I think it's the rain in the wind. Or the full moon that's playing hide and seek with the clouds. Or the rustling leaves. Or the fragrance of Raat Ki Rani that's wafting into my soul, making me miss the soft caresses and gentle rhythmic breathing of... What is making me ache for a time long forgotten? Why am I sealed in memories that I'd so carefully buried under years and years of a life lived as a perfect wife, a mother, a daughter-in-law. You never expected this of me, did you, Dharma? That I could lead a perfectly normal, successful married life, huh? I hated you so much. But yet, I find myself wrapping your shawl around me for comfort on nights like this. As if your shawl has the charisma to protect me from all things unwanted, even memories. But is this an unwanted memory, though? No, Dharma. I won't let you have the satisfaction of thinking otherwise, huh? I loved her. I loved you, Sona. I loved you, but I left you because I wanted to prove Dharma wrong. I wanted to show her that she had not scarred me for life. That I was not in love with a woman because I was rebelling against what she thought she protected me from. What does she know of love, Sona? What do you know of love? You have no understanding or experience of love whatsoever. All you know is what you want. Your dreams, your ambition, your desires. Yes, your desires, Dharma. Your desires that is so overpowering that it couldn't even prevent you from having sex with. And I'm ashamed to even say the words. How could you? Huh? She was your own daughter. See, honestly, I wish I had the courage to tell Nikita Bhabhi about you, and I detested her as much as I hate you, but at least I felt sorry for her. Imagine having to find out that your own mother is having an affair. एक डायन भी ना 4 घर छोड़ देती है Dharma. You ruined so many lives. You ruined my life. No. No. I don't mean my marriage with Jaggi, okay? You may burn with regret, but this is one part that you could never ever destroy. I have the most perfectly normal married life, okay? I have a perfect traditional husband, two beautiful and straight children, and a perfectly mother-in-law type of mother-in-law who wouldn't miss a single opportunity to make me feel small. I have the most perfectly normal life. And yes, I sacrificed the love of my life for this perfectly normal life because I didn't want you to think that I was in love with another woman because my childhood was destroyed. You destroyed my childhood, Tharama. Did you even realize how much I love my brother? My brother, whom you separated me from when I was when I was 10. My brother loved me. He loved me with as much ferocity and tenderness as I loved him. He slept with me every night ever since Ma Baba died in that terrible accident that rainy night. I was all of 9. He kissed me. He would hug me. He would comfort me. Every time I tried to cry myself to sleep. And you go ahead and believe that Tanushri's nonsense about Tanushri and Bhaiya, really? You really think my brother can stoop that low, huh? And if she really is telling the truth, where is she? Huh? Tell her to come and face me right here. Tell me on my face. And anyway, why should I believe anything you say, huh? You. After all, you're the one who just stormed into our lives, separated me from my brother, whisked me to your house in a different city, married your daughter to my brother, and then go ahead and have sex with him. Who are you? Who the hell are you? Jackie is still sleeping. I think everybody is. पता नहीं मुझे ही क्यों नींद नहीं आ रही है आज. I think Dharma, I'm just going to sit here, wrapping your shawl, and I'll just wait for the sun to rise. Dharma, I just want to tell you that I really love you, okay? I really, really love you. Hey, can you please tell me that Shaljam Gobi Achar recipe? You know, my mother-in-law and Jaggi, they just love it. Yeah. Jaggi ji? Jago Jaggi? Jaggi, my love, uthiye. Uthiye. Chal.
रोजाना रात के आगोश में दिन यूं ही मरता है। ना रात संभलेगी न दिन को होश आएगा। रूहानी मोहब्बत साली अंधी मोहब्बत। She will love him, then he will hit her, then he will control her, then she will surrender, then she will scream, then he will slowly squeeze the life out of her. Then she'll go back for yet more and more of this. Abuse? Is it? When the prey seeks out the predator and provokes him to prey on her. So addictive is this dance of violence. Have you ever tried it? It's intoxicating. Adrenaline, heavy breathing, danger, pain, trauma. This hell is pure heaven. No, I'm not talking about some illiterate woman from, what did you call it? EWS? Economically weaker segment. No. No. I'm talking about my relationship with my husband, Pradeep. Yes, this is about me. And you know, I'm a full-fledged practicing gynecologist with a flourishing practice who earns 6 figures every month. Money that somehow never seems to come to me, just goes into a black hole controlled by Pradeep. Have you ever observed what it feels like to have a course of cortisol running through your veins? No, oxytocin, dopamine, serotonin, all overrated. And what we're really wired up for is fight or flight. For that, you need norepinephrine. Yeah, ready to claw and be clawed. There's something so primal about it. Total jungle feel. You must be thinking I'm mad, huh? Oh, well, I just want you to know that this is my choice. It's important that you know that this is my choice. I'm not some cishet victim to be pitied, helpless shit. I enjoy the violence. So, my dear child Sanjana, you must be thinking why your Chitra auntie, your mother's best friend, is telling you all this. That too in a letter, when we never really interacted as confidants before. तो अब क्यों? और खासकर अभी ही क्यों? क्योंकि कल रात संजय की बरसी में, when you saw Tarushri and me go for each other's throats, you must have hated me for being such a bitch to my daughter. But it's absolutely important. मेरा मतलब तुम्हें तुम्हारे खातिर ये जानना जरूरी है कि bitch मैं बेटा तुम्हारी बहुत बड़ी गुनाहगार हूं मैं। और अगर ऐसे समय में तरु ने तुम्हारा साथ छोड़ दिया तो उसकी जिम्मेदार मैं हूं। शायद मैंने ही उसकी परवरिश में कमी छोड़ दी शायद। So melodramatic, huh? Straight out of Nutan Nirupa Roy wale Ma dialogues. But you don't know anything about that, huh? Huh? You millennials. You think you know everything. What do you know about life and its betrayals? Hmm? No, I'm not drunk. Yeah, I love my wine, and so what? No, Taru wasn't. I wasn't drunk when Taru told me. But I say, hey, thanks for the wine. It helped me cope. But you don't know anything about that. Oh, Sanjana. Ah, you were born with a silver spoon in your mouth. Your mother, Nikita, my best friend, my childhood friend, married to that dream man, Sanjay. Dream man. Anyway, they were a mad couple. They were, your mom and dad. So much in love. But she was so young. Petite, tiny. Looked like a child even when she was 20, Kamini Sali. I was huge. Nikita, मैं David और Goliath की जोड़ी. Anyway, when I returned to Delhi 10 साल बाद, कहाँ जाती? पहुंच गई सीधे निकिता और संजय के घर. और दारू को संजय के अलावा और किसके पास छोड़ती? She was just 10. I mean, you were 15. But you were with your grandmother Tarama in Kanpur. Nikita had disappeared into some global corporate achiever. Pradeep was busy being a violent, toxic asshole. And I had to work. My practice was just starting. But Sanjay, sweet, timeless Sanjay, was still ensconced in his high-back, chintz-covered armchair. That sunlit corner of the room, his study desk still piled with books and notes. But now, Dawn, with his state-of-the-art iMac, whistling with that age-old gramophone, the needle scratching out jazz numbers as he pushed his silver glasses onto his head of silver. And with that same warm, gentle, welcoming smile, hugged us both back into loving comfort. The problem क्या है यही पूछ रही हूँ ना? Problem, my dear child, कभी हमें दिखी ही नहीं जब तक सालों बाद समय ने कस कर चपेट मारे. जरा हंस के बोला समय, you like violence, don't you? Why depend on Pradeep? Let me, almighty time, show you the most violent, toxic abuse ever. Taru didn't love you, Sanjana. She was pretending with you. She is still pretending with you. She is incapable of loving you because she loved your father. She loved your father, and I can't tell her that. No, I have to tell her. She loved your father, had sex with him, and got pregnant. Your father, he He... I thought your father was a gentleman. He was a gentleman. It was I who failed Tarun. I didn't see it coming. I was so engrossed in my shit with Pradeep. बदबू तो कहीं और से आ रही थी. तरु दिखा रही थी, लेकिन मैं अंधी रात के खूनी आगोश में दम तोड़ रही थी. Literally, it was all bloody and gory. But I could make Taru's nightmare disappear. I was a gynae after all. So I made it disappear. I got rid of her unborn child. I have failed you, Sanjana, because I never told anyone about it. But you know what? Fuck it. Suck it up. Life is a bitch.
के दिल अभी हरा नहीं, अभी ना जाओ छोड़ के, दिल अभी हरा नहीं, अभी तो अभी ना जाओ छोड़ के, दिल अभी हरा नहीं, I wanted to wait forever for that one love. ये forever वाला प्यार था मेरा, at least. That's what I thought. तुम भी तो ये कहती थी ना? दो हंसों का जोड़ा है निकी, 100 पुण्य किए होंगे. You look so great together. You were right. He was my Prince Charming. Loving, tender, caring, poetic, gentle, giving. And yes, oh, so erotic. Goosebumps. But you were jealous, right? All throughout college, you were jealous. Because he chose me over you. In fact, तुमने कितनी कोशिश की थी कि मैं उससे शादी ही नहीं करूं. You said, Nikki, you're just 18, go enjoy life. क्या शादी कर रही है? And I said, it's my choice, and I got married. I got married, you got devastated, and you abandoned me. You're chuddy buddy since like... Anyway, but I didn't care because my bliss was complete. अभी भी जलन होती होगी ना? That my cup of happiness was so full, whereas on the other hand, you got that sham of a marriage with that asshole husband of yours. Huh? So what did you do? You came back. You came back into my life to take a small little sip out of my cup. है ना? क्या लगा तुम्हें that I didn't notice? That I don't know who is this woman who's spending all her time with my husband, leaving her child, her daughter back with him? Listen, I did not leave my daughter. I didn't ask my mother to take her to Kanpur. He did because he did not want a child. You know, Chitra, मुझे घिन आती है तुम पे because तुमने इस बात का फायदा उठाया था. But I really didn't care. I really didn't care since the time his sister told me something poisonous. At that time, I told her to just be quiet because you don't think these things, right? Tara Ma had asked me to focus on my career, which I did because एक औरत का वजूद केवल माँ, बेटी, बहू, बहन बन के रह जाए तो क्या फायदा? We can conquer the world, right? And I did. My career was rock solid. My career was rock solid until the time I decided and I said, I'm going to be a mother. And I told him, I said, listen, I want to be a mother. You want to be helpful? Be of use? Good. Otherwise, there are various ways I can get pregnant. That got to him. And he couldn't bear the thought of anybody else even touching me. So, he made a baby. And Sanjana came into my life. My little Gudiya, my chotu Golu. I could do anything for her. Just anything. But you know, he never touched her. He never even looked at her. And I said, koi baat nahi. Fatherhood is new. He'll take time. He'll get into the groove. But he had all the time. You know, on his paternity leave, all he did was sit in that stupid chair and write his godforsaken novel. He was supposed to change the diapers with me, goddammit. Anyway, and that's exactly when my helicopter mother entered my life to save my distress, and she took away Sanjana, pushed me to my career, and everything seemed okay, but it wasn't. It wasn't because something changed. You must have smelled it from far away, Chitra. है ना? तुम्हें गंध आ गई होगी, है ना? You must have thought, यही मौका है, मैं तो गिद्ध हूँ, 100 फीट की ऊंचाई से भांप लेती हूँ, नेक्स्ट क्या होगी? तो घुस जाओ इसके घर में, घुस जाओ और अपनी बेटी को उसकी गोद में डाल दो. मुझे घिन आती है तुमसे. But like I was saying, I really don't care about him. You know, I didn't believe when his sister told me that nonsense, but
But I did start noticing things. I realized that Tarama and Sanjay were just always together, you know, whispering something into their ears, making sure that I can't see them, no eye contact. Have you ever felt the pain of realizing that your God has feet of clay? I worshipped her. I loved him. And they just decided to exclude me from their inner circle like I didn't belong to them. मुझे कोई कुछ बताता क्यों नहीं है यार? Why doesn't anybody include me? Why didn't you include me, Chitra? You had answers, didn't you? You knew some stuff, right? You could have told me. But you just wanted me to be in pain. So much so that you used your own daughter to cause me pain. हाँ, I know. I know. मैं जानती हूँ because Taru told me. Out of all of us, she's the only one who has the balls to speak the truth. God bless her. I know Taru and Sanjay had a sexual relationship. I know she got pregnant. I know that you knew and you buried it. कुछ नहीं कहा तुमने. कुछ नहीं कहा. क्यों? क्या था वो? कौन था? क्या वो मुझसे सिर्फ इसलिए प्यार करता था because for the longest time I looked like this petite, underdeveloped teenager who and then I got pregnant. I got fat and plump and he stopped looking at me. Chitra, why didn't he ever touch Sanjana? Why didn't he ever pick her up like a father would? Was he scared? Was he scared of himself? Was he a monster? Did he ever touch Kumud? Did Tarama know and maybe that's the reason she kept saying don't have a child? Did you know? Did you have an inkling? Did you know and you still sent Taru to him? Sanjana, listen. Sanjana, listen. I have a lot of questions and I'm drowning in my questions. I really don't know whom to ask and where to go. You are reading my messages, right? तुम पढ़ रही हो ना? You can understand how desperate I am right now. Please, just one. Chitra, one question. One last question. Does Sanjana know why Sanjay killed himself? बिना डाउट उठे कितना भी बना रहे
कहना चाहूं तुमको शुक्रिया पर मैं तुमसे ना कह पाऊं तुम हो मेरे अपने मगर तुमको अपना ना कह पाऊं ये दुआ
हाय। कल मेरे पापा की बरसी थी और आज मैं यहाँ उनकी तस्वीर के सामने खड़े होकर उनसे अपनी जिंदगी के सच के बारे में सवाल कर रही हूँ। सच। ये सब तब शुरू हुआ जब कल मैंने सबको अपने और तारुश्री के रिश्ते के बारे में अनाउंस किया कि मैं और तारुश्री एक दूसरे से प्यार करते हैं, एक दूसरे के साथ लाइफ बिताना चाहते हैं। बवाल शुरू हो गया। तब मुझे पापा आपकी बहुत याद आई। I miss you, पापा। I miss you every single day। तारू मुझसे हमेशा पापा की बात करती और मैं उसे पापा की कहानियां सुनाती। वो क्या है? बस कहानियां हैं मेरे पास, मैं कभी पापा के साथ रही भी। तारू जब उन कहानियों को सुनती थी उसे देखकर ऐसा लगता जैसे वो उन कहानियों को मेरी नजर से जी रही है। कभी कभी तो वो ये भी कहती, हे संजू, यू आर जस्ट लाइक योर फादर। Am I just like him? अगर ऐसा है तो मुझे सोचकर भी डर लगता है कि मैं मेरे पापा की तरह। कुछ दिनों से ना बहुत ही अजीबोगरीब चीजें हो रही हैं, बहुत ही वियर्ड सी। सडनली तारुश्री चाहती है, संजना हमें अपने लव को सबके सामने खुलकर प्रोफेस करना चाहिए। मुझे ये करना भी था एट द एंड, बट कल ऐसे पापा की बरसी पर नहीं, क्योंकि मुझे पता था कि कल करना ठीक नहीं होगा, बट तारुश्री को कल ही करना था क्योंकि मैं उससे इतना प्यार करती हूँ। मुझे लगा चलो ठीक है, जो होगा देखा जाएगा। और क्या ही हो जाता पापा। सीधी सादी बात थी, मैं और तारुश्री एक दूसरे से प्यार करते, एक दूसरे के साथ लाइफ बिताना चाहते। लाइफ। मैं आपको बिल्कुल भी नहीं जानती थी पापा। आप मेरे लिए बस एक सुंदर कहानी थी, एक सुंदर कहानी जो मुझे औरों ने सुनाई, क्योंकि आपने तो मुझे खुद से दूर कर दिया था ना पापा। क्यों पापा? क्या आप मुझसे बिल्कुल भी प्यार नहीं करते थे? बोलो ना पापा, प्लीज बोलो। खैर, प्यार करते थे या नहीं करते थे ये मुझे इनसे तो कभी नहीं पता चलेगा। अच्छा, आपको कौन जानता था? क्या आपको तारुश्री जानती थी? क्या तारुश्री इस आदमी को जानती थी जिसका एक माइनर के साथ सेक्सुअल रिलेशनशिप था, जो माइनर इसकी अपनी बेटी से 5 साल छोटी है? और उससे भी ज्यादा वियर्ड चीज पता है क्या है? उसी सेम पर्सन के साथ, उसी माइनर के साथ मुझे प्यार हो जाता है। शायद यही वजह थी कि कल जब मैंने सबको अपने और तारुश्री के रिश्ते के बारे में अनाउंस किया तो सडनली चित्रा आंटी और तारा अम्मा ने इस तरीके से रिएक्ट किया, क्योंकि मुझे ये तो समझ में आ गया था कि ये सब कुछ जो हो रहा है वो सब हमारे लेस्बियन होने की वजह से नहीं था। ये 2024 है, किसी को फर्क पड़ता है क्या? या फिर ये सब इसलिए था कि उन्हें पता था कि तारुश्री पापा की सेक्सुअल पार्टनर है। या फिर ये सब इसलिए था कि उन्हें मेरा किसी लड़की के साथ सेक्सुअल रिलेशनशिप में होना वियर्ड लगता हो। पर इसमें वियर्ड क्या है? यही तो मेरा सच है। क्या यही मेरा सच है? क्या तारू मेरा सच है? पर अगर वो मेरा सच है तो वो मेरे साथ आज खड़ी क्यों नहीं है? मुझे छोड़ के क्यों चली गई? क्या मैं आपको जज कर रही हूँ पापा? आपके सच के लिए? तारू ने मुझे बताया था कि इट वॉज कंसेंशुअल. इनफैक्ट शी इज द वन हु सेड्यूस्ड माय फादर. बट आई ऑल्सो नो पापा, एक अंडर 18 के साथ सेक्सुअल रिलेशनशिप बनाना चाइल्ड सेक्सुअल अब्यूज है. आई एम अ लॉयर एंड आई नो एवरीथिंग. यू स्कार्ड मी फॉर लाइफ पापा. You scarred me for life. But I also feel sorry for you. I'm sorry, Papa. I'm sorry. आपका सच, सेक्स विद अ माइनर. मैं आज आपके इस सच को समझ तो पा रही हूं, पर मैं ये भी जानती हूँ पापा कि अगर आज आप जिंदा होते और अपने इस सच को जी रहे होते तो आप सेक्सुअल प्रेडेटर होते. आपका ये चीज होना मेरी जिंदगी का सबसे बड़ा सच है जिसे मैं एक्सेप्ट नहीं कर पा रही हूँ पापा. पर अगर आज पापा जिंदा होते तो क्या मुझ में हिम्मत होती कि मैं इन्हें रिपोर्ट कर जेल भेज पाती? माना तू गलत, पर दिल ये माने ना.
Why can't I age as well as this single malt in my glass? Huh? You know, I had never thought that I would ever accept that I'm growing old. अभी तो मैं जवान हूँ. अभी तो मैं जवान हूँ. अभी तो मैं जवान. This body, it seems to grow slower by the day, as if each limb is protesting. We have actively served you for 72 years, Tara. What more do you want from us? Make me dance. When marimba rhythm starts to play, dance with me, make me sway. Like the lazy ocean hugs the shore, hold me close, sway me more. Like the flowers bending in the breeze, bend with me, sway with ease. Even you couldn't imagine the twists and turns I've lived through. When we dance, you have a way with me. Stay with me, sway with me. Oh, yes, I have lived a very rich life. I miss you, Dave. No, I really miss you. I know that you don't believe me, but I'm telling. Okay, fine, you win. Honestly speaking, I have actually started missing you Only now. Don't turn in your grave. I've been busy, so busy since you died. One after the other. I could hardly give myself enough time to mourn you properly. I couldn't be vulnerable with Nikita around me. Now could I? Nikita Dave, our tiny little Nikki. She's just like you. Willful, obstinate, stubborn. Oh yes. Do you think I would have let Sanjay marry her if I could help it? I know what you would have said. Oh, so what? They're in love. But Dave, she was hardly 19 and Sanjay well in his 20s. It's beyond me. But Nikita was adamant. She just wanted Sanjay. Even Chitra tried to tell her that. But I think that's the reason their friendship broke up, you know. I feel so bad, Dave. They were such good friends since they were children. Kids. I don't know why they grow up. Are you thinking that I heaved a sigh of relief once Nikita got married and left home? Aha, no, sir. You're wrong. That was the beginning of the most painful phase of my life. I could hardly sleep at a stretch since then. It was that tough. No, Dave, it was not my martyr complex that made me almost adopt Sanjay's 10-year-old sister, Kumun. It was not my idea. In fact, it was on Sanjay's insistence. And no, I cannot tell you why he insisted. No, Dave, I cannot. I won't tell you. Stop it, Dave. I cannot. Not even if you ply me another of this wonderfully aged single malt. Cheers. She was such a rebel, you know. She hated me. Kumud, who else? My God, the things she used to say. She really had a potty mouth, I tell you. But I don't blame her, you know. She was heartbroken when Sanjay married Nikita. Poor girl. Must have been devastating to lose both your parents at the tender age of 9 and then to lose the only young adult, your brother, when you were 10. No wonder she hated me. Must have been really painful. Tell me something. How much pain can one live through, Dave? No, hear me out. Sometimes I feel like a huge ocean. So much secrets buried deep inside me, as if all my body cells are ready to explode, but I hold on to them. Your resilience training held me together. It was a novel concept, but it worked for me. Otherwise, can you believe living through the insinuation of having an affair with your own son-in-law? Insinuated by your own daughter. No. She never said it openly, but even then, funny. No. It wasn't funny, Dave. It was painful, the worst blow in my life. And I had to let Nikita believe that it is true. Stop smirking, Dave. What could I have done, huh? What could I have done? What could I have told Nikita? It was not my secret to tell her. It was Sanjay's. And remember your training, Dave. The secrets go to grave with us. Sanjay used to talk. used to talk to me for hours, unburdening himself, questioning, venting out, ranting, recanting. And I couldn't tell a single soul what all he was confiding on me. Not even Nikita, not even to exonerate myself. So I bore it all. And my poor daughter had to live through this unbearable pain of believing that her mother is having an affair with her husband. Nikita actually believed that I didn't want her to have a child with Sanjay. Well, she turned out to be your daughter, all right. Even after telling her not to, she did have a child with Sanjay. And Sanjana came in my life. Oh, she was such a cuddly, buddly baby. I couldn't leave her in that house, now could I? With Sanjay alone, while Nikita was out pursuing her career. No way. So I brought her here. She was so different from Kumud, you know. Sunny, sweet, lovely, intelligent. I just love her. Of course I love Kumud also. I'm her quasi-mom. My life was full, you know. With Sanjana, Kumud married off to Jaggi. Sanjay sort of drifted to the sides. And I was okay with that. I mean, he would call occasionally, but not so much. And I thought he has come to terms with who he was, found peace within himself. Most important, Nikita's marriage was saved, and I was relaxed. I feel guilty. I feel so guilty. Dave. I have no one to talk to except you. You need to tell me, Dave. You need to tell me that, did I make a mistake by guarding Sanjay's secret? Was it not a secret which needed to be guarded? Should I have told Nikita? Or told Sanjay to tell Nikita or someone else? Maybe I could have saved Taru. Maybe I could have saved Sanjana from this unnecessary pain of falling in love with a girl who was in love with her father. Maybe I could have saved Sanjay from himself. Maybe he would have been alive today. Oh, I just want to wipe the slate clean, Dave. I must write a letter to Taru, explaining I must write. But where will I send it? No one knows where she is. Not even her mother. She just disappeared. And what will I tell her? Or Sanjana or Nikita that I could have prevented all this? Because I knew the day Kumud walked into my room, I just knew that Sanjay is a pedophile.
Love's a difficult thing, isn't it? Who to love, how much to love. We all are looking for someone. Someone who can satisfy us emotionally, physically, socially और आजकल तो financially भी. और आसान भी हो गया है. कितने सारे apps जो आ गए. बस डाउनलोड किया, डिटेल्स भरे, सही या गलत does not matter. And let's start. Rekha, no. Smita, yes. Lee boy? Okay. ये क्या मेकअप है? No. Sex daily? Yes. मिलते हैं ऐसे. नंबर इकट्ठे किए. डेटिंग की है. बात करना चाहेंगे about your dating life. Well, मैं बात करना चाहूंगा about my dating life. जब I was young, I liked young people. और जब और बड़ा हुआ, I still like young people. तब लगने लगा शायद कुछ तो नॉर्मल नहीं है मेरी डेटिंग लाइफ में. I gravitated towards teenagers. But was that a problem? Well, I just thought I vibed very well with the younger lot. I was in my 20s, living in America, teaching in a college with this very vibrant social life. Until that tragic year. When Ma and Baba died in a crash. And I had to come back to India to take care of my little sister Kumud. Kumud. Every time Kumud would snuggle in bed with me, I was getting sexually aroused. No. That could not be me. That was not me. I was dating Nikita. I had proposed to her. She had accepted, and I was getting a hard-on with my own kid sister. Gee. But that feeling was very exhilarating, huh? Very exhilarating. I'm sorry, Kumud. I'm sorry. I love you. I love you as my kid sister. But my body was misbehaving. That is why I insisted and I told Nikita we must get married immediately. And we did. In spite of all the resistance, we did. And one look at how Kumud was behaving with me, Tarama knew it all. उन्हें एक नजर में सब कुछ पता चल गया था, सब कुछ. But she stood by me. दिन रात मुझसे बातें की, रातों रात मुझसे बातें की. Even when Nikita thought that she and me were having an affair, she was with me. Like a rock. मैंने उनमें एक दोस्त पाया. एक सच्चा दोस्त. जिससे मैं अपने दिल की हर बात कह सकता था. She asked me to see a therapist. I did. The therapist told me I must take care of my emotions. I did. I must not overreact to situations. I did. I must understand the importance of relationships. I did. जो कहा मैंने वो सब कुछ किया, सब कुछ किया. So much so that I did not even look at my daughter Sanjana in a way that my gaze would sexualize her. मैंने एक बार भी मेरी बेटी की तरफ मुड़कर नहीं देखा. उसे खाना नहीं खिलाया, उसे हाथ तक नहीं लगाया. Chitra's daughter Tarushri, 10-year-old Tarushri also was safe with me. I thought I had conquered my instincts. रिश्ते क्या होते हैं, उनकी अहमियत क्या होती है, उनके दायरे क्या होते हैं, उनके मायने क्या होते हैं, मैं सब कुछ समझ गया था. I become matured. I knew everything. But only for 5 years. When Tarushi turned 15, I had sex with her. And I got her pregnant. And Chitra got her aborted and did not even tell anyone about it. And I want to get away with it. I want to get away with it. Wow. I'm a criminal. But I am not an abuser. अब्यूजर होता है, फिर चाहे वो बच्चा हो या बूढ़ा, 8 साल हो या 80, एज डज नॉट मैटर. मायने रखता है तो सिर्फ कंसेंट, ऑन गोइंग कंसेंट. बात करनी जरूरी है इवन ड्यूरिंग द एक्ट ऑफ सेक्स. लेकिन इस मामले में बात कहां, कंसेंट कहां? दिस वॉज सेक्स विद अ माइनर. एज पर द लॉ ऑफ द लैंड, it is a crime. It is not consensual. लेकिन तारुषी का कहना है it was consensual. अब वो 18 साल की है और वो चाहती है कि मैं निकिता को छोड़कर उससे शादी करूं. She's 18, I'm 63. इस उम्र में डिवोर्स, शादी, अरे लोग क्या कहेंगे, दुनिया क्या सोचेगी, आप लोग सब क्या सोचोगे, मेरे स्टूडेंट्स क्या सोचेंगे, चित्रा, निकिता, कुमुद, संजना क्या सोचेगी? My darling beloved father is a pedophile. I am a pedophile. I gave in to my instincts, which makes me a sexual predator. I have been hiding this truth all my life. जिस बात को मैं जिंदगी भर छिपाता रहा, it cannot come out now. I cannot get outed. I just cannot get outed. I'm a criminal. I should be reported. If the courts were to mete out a punishment, it should not be less than imprisonment, life imprisonment or death. Yes. Death. I have tried myself. I find myself guilty. And I commit myself to the penalty of death.
आप ही दंडी आप तराजू हो, आप ही दंडी आप तराजू, आप ही बैठा तोलता, घट घट में पंछी बोलता, घट घट में पंछी बोलता, आप ही माली आप बगीचा, आप ही माली आप बगीचा, आप ही कलिया तोड़ता, घट घट में पंछी बोलता, घट घट में पंछी बोलता, कहत कबीर सुनो भय साधो, कहत कबीर सुनो भय साधो, मन की कुंडी खोलता, घट घट में पंछी बोलता। कहते कबीरा कहते कबीरा सुनो भाई साधो, कहते कबीरा सुनो भाई साधो, मन की खूंटी खोलता है, मन की खूंटी खोलता है,
वो भी नहीं और हर जाओ, वो भी नहीं और हर जाओ, वो भी नहीं और हर जाओ, तुम एक गोरख धंधा हो, तुम एक गोरख धंधा हो, आप ही अपना पर्दा हो, आप ही अपना पर्दा हो, आप ही अपना पर्दा हो, तुम एक गोरख धंधा हो, तुम एक गोरख धंधा हो, तुम एक गोरख धंधा हो, तुम एक गोरख धंधा।
घर जाना रात के 11 साढ़े 11 बज रहे हैं। 10:35 तो बहुत समय है। लेकिन आई वांट टू वेरी वेरी क्विकली थैंक ऑल ऑफ यू फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल कि हमारे पास में ऐसी बातें करने का आपने हमें प्लेटफॉर्म दिया, क्योंकि आप सुन रहे हैं। सुनना बहुत ज़रूरी है। हम पिछले 30 सालों से ये बातें बोल रहे हैं साक्षी से, कानून भी बनाए, ट्रेनिंग्स भी करी, नाटक भी करे, लेकिन सुनने वाले कान हमें अब मिल रहे हैं. सो बहुत ज़ोर की तालियां अपने लिए बजाएं. हम सब मिलकर तब तक काम करते रहेंगे जब तक हमें डर लगना बंद हो जाएगा. अपने बगल में खड़े इंसान से डर लगना बंद हो जाएगा, सड़क पर चलते इंसान से डर लगना बंद हो जाएगा, अपने घरों के अंदर हमें डर लगना बंद हो जाएगा. Where the head is held high and the mind is without fear. So let me quickly introduce this beautiful, beautiful cast here, people here. So we have Sandeep Soparkar as Sanjay, Sharupa Ghosh as Taramma, Padma Damodaran, Chitra, Ankita Bhargav Patel as Nikita, Priyasha Bhardwaj as Kumar, and Mahima Mishra as Sanjay. जो आपने वो एक आवाज़ सुनी ना अंदर से झंझोड़ने वाली, वो थी वैभव सती की. Original composition by Chinmay and Joel. Sound design was by Mallar Sen. Production was Swargish Sanakri, supported by Patrick Fernandez. Lights Nayan Pandey. Music execution Vikram. Camera and sound Yash Jain, Utkarsh Gupta, Ayush Gupta, Mani Saket and Nandini. And वेदा कुंबा से पंकज, कृत, रोहित, संपत. हमें बहुत डांट पड़ी है वैसे आज. और हमारी यंग डायनेमिक टीम कृतिका, नाओमी, अमोलिका, हैना, पावनी, नमिता, शीतल, आदर्श, रम्या, जयश्री, अदिति. आई जस्ट वांट टू ऐड कि इसके लिए ये टीम दार्जिलिंग से लेके हैदराबाद से आई है यहाँ पर. I want to thank King Shuk for stepping up and giving me that confidence, and each one of you for being here. अगर इसकी कोई भी बात आपके दिल को छू गई है तो अपने दिलों में हमको अपने साथ लेकर जाइए. हमारे बारे में इंफॉर्मेशन बाहर भी है, QR कोड्स पे भी है, वेबसाइट पे भी है. जुड़िए, because we all need to talk and talk a little more.
घाट घाट में पंछी बोलता है. I feel like there are issues that need to be spoken about, and it was one of them. It was so beautifully portrayed by each one of them, each one of the participants, each one of the characters, the way they portrayed it, the way they felt it, and the way they made us feel about it. I think to whoever it might have had happened, or like whoever have even felt it a little bit, it might have given them the courage to speak about it, to talk about it, or at least to feel it and to let it all out. So I think that's the beauty of it, and that was the beauty of that play. Thank you so much. It was really amazing.
Hello, my name is Neena Chauhan, and I've been a dance student of Sandeep Soparkar ji for perhaps the last 3 years, and I've seen all his forms as an actor, as a dancer, as a choreographer, various things. So today I got a chance to see his maestro acting skills, and he was absolutely fabulous. And the topic that has been dealt with today is absolutely amazing, and it has never been dealt with before in this country, and I'm glad that these topics are finally coming out of the locker. Thank you.
Hi, I just loved today's play. The story was fantastic. It was really heart-touching. And we all should have an opportunity like this to raise our voice, give an opinion. The actors were all brilliant. Each one played their role so well. I just felt it was not enough. I wish there was more. Thank you.
नमस्कार, मेरा नाम रोहित राज है और जो मैंने आज की प्रस्तुति देखी बेहद ही खूबसूरत प्रस्तुति थी. द मोस्ट ब्यूटिफुल थिंग व्हाट आई लाइक्ड अबाउट प्ले में जो एक एम्प्टीनेस था, जो कैरेक्टर्स के अंदर जो एम्प्टीनेस थी, पर्सनली मैं उस एम्प्टीनेस से कलेक्ट कर पाया. जनरली मैंने बहुत सारे प्ले देखे जिसमें हम कॉन्वर्सेशन से ज़्यादा कनेक्ट कर पाते, बट व्हाट वाज द मोस्ट ब्यूटीफुल पार्ट ऑफ दिस प्ले वाज दैट I was able to connect with the empathy of the character, and the director ma'am is very lucky to have such talented and marvelous actors जो बहुत ही thought process के साथ अपने अंदर के thoughts को audience के अंदर connect कर पाए. और एक ऐसे टॉपिक को बाहर लाना बहुत ही ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है जिनकी बातें हम समाज में नहीं कर सकते हैं. और जो एक लाइन आई थी प्ले में कि हाँ हमारे घर की दीवारों से बात करो, शायद से अब मुझे लगेगा कि जब कभी मैं अकेले अपने कमरे में बैठा रहूँगा, मैं भी एक पंछी की तरह शायद से बाहर उड़ना चाहूँगा या फिर उन दीवारों के साथ कुछ बातचीत करना चाहूँगा. ये नाटक मेरे जीवन के अंतिम क्षणों तक मेरे साथ हमेशा साथ रहेगा और मैं हमेशा इस नाटक को अपने ज़िंदगी का एक बहुत ही खूबसूरत अनुभव के तौर पे याद करूँगा. धन्यवाद.
Hi, I'm Geetika Chamble, a friend of Sandeep Soparkar, and we were here on the invitation. Although we were warned about the play, but still didn't expect it to go like so deep with so many layers. So I'll tell you two things. One is technically about the play. It was very well written. The characters that were involved, a woman in different roles, but everybody kind of a victim of the same thing, was extremely well written, well thought of, gone deep into it. Feels like it can only be written like this by someone who has experienced it. So that was the play, and everybody played it very well. The second is the truth about it, which was again taken up so well, and I'm so thankful that somebody has put words to these feelings, because these always are suppressed, not spoken. And as the board over says, 1 in 2 children are molested, abused every single day. In this hall, 50% of us have felt it. Sometimes spoken, not heard, sometimes not able to speak. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Deepika Singh, and I saw the ad on the story of Sandeep sir about the Gat Gat Mein Panchi Bolta Hai, and I was so fascinated and I really wanted to be part of this show. So I requested him, and he very kindly facilitated us coming for this show. And I would like to really congratulate from the depth of my heart to the team for this wonderful show. I've been a social activist for the last 30 to 35 years, and we have been working on these issues. So, it's amazing feeling, because when we worked at grassroots and we had gone to house and creating awareness on these issues, and now being put up on the mainstream platforms such as this, it's an amazing feeling. And as at the end, it was said, if you really want to listen to your own homes, the walls of your own homes. And this issue is still a lot to be worked on, because it is still a story of today also. Thousands and millions of children are being still sexually abused. So I think it's an issue which is still relevant and which needs to be spoken, addressed, and people should be empowered, kids should be empowered, and more safety nets to be created so that every child feels happy and is experience the dignity of childhood and enjoy the life. So once again, congratulate the entire team And also all of us, I think, I wish that each one of us go and multiply this awareness and this very, action for safeguarding the kids. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Anjali Rana. I'm Sandeep Soparkar sir's friend. तो अभी हम प्ले देख के आ रहे हैं घट घट में पंछी बोलता है. ये प्ले पीडोफिल पे था. सब्जेक्ट बहुत सेंसिटिव था और उतनी ही सेंसिटिव हमारी पूरी ऑडियंस थी. सो क्लैपिंग फॉर अस. People like us can make change in the society. And these kind of play, these kind of acts really need to be seen by people like us and everyone. So I urge everyone to at least listen what they want to say. These voices are unheard or suppressed since long time in our society. And remind you, we all know it. Even our mothers and grandmothers, they know it. They know it so well. They know it so well that they have gone through all this pain and they have never had that courage to empower their own child, to give them that secure environment. This topic is so sensitive that I cannot talk much about it. But these kind of play, these kind of act may empower some women to give that voice to their children, to raise for their rights. I'm shivering because this is such an issue which is so close to my heart. I want to work for children, and this is what is my dream. I want to make a homestay school where I can provide a safe environment for underprivileged children or any children. Because we celebrate children a lot, We bring children into this world to make us happy, to make our world complete, but we don't know how to secure our own child. That is a plight of the society. And as an adult, I don't have a child, and I might not have, but I think every child is my own kid, and I want to protect them. And I want to urge everyone should come and watch such kind of play, because our society really needs these kind of acts and these kind of voices to be heard. Thank you so much.